Okay, so today I'm here to show you this fantastic piece of kit. All of you will know what it really is, which is a replica Cobra. And this is a Cobra replica with a little bit more than even an original would have had. If we were talking about looking at an original car here, it's eye-wateringly expensive. And in fact, to build one of this standard today is significantly more than this car is now being marketed for. And I can tell you, it is a fabulous bit of kit. Now later, we're going to go for a drive in it, and I'm going to get young Harry here to tell me all about the technical side of it. Okay, Harry, tell me all about this amazing car.
So, unusually for these cars, it doesn't have a Ford engine. It has a 5.7 litre small block Chevy V8, which I think is actually a lot better than the original engine. So this engine was built by Real Steel in 2008 alongside the car. It's got all new components, so it's not as unreliable as the original engines were. It's just a lot better, in my opinion.
Well, I've driven it, and it's super smooth,
Yes.
and it's got loads of torque. So, yeah, I could believe that. And that'll have more power than the original?
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
The other thing I noticed is that it had power steering.
Yes, so the power steering was fitted alongside the build, so it wasn't original in the cars, and you can specify these builds without them, but obviously the client here much preferred the steering with the assistance.
I like the wheels. I think that they're...
They are gorgeous, yes.
Yeah, they're replica knockoffs with a centre spinner, which is fantastic. You'd never see that today. The quality of the build is really, really nice.
Yes.
It's done, I think, 2,700 miles since being put together.
Yep.
And I reckon that not so many of them would be built to this standard.
No, absolutely not. So Chris Simmons, the ex-Formula One engineer, he founded the company that built this, Absolute Performance, and he signs off on each of the cars. So you'd expect the same level of quality control you'd get at that higher end up in Formula One on these.
Excellent. Well, I'm ready to take this thing for a little whip up the road.
Oh yes,
and
me too.
see how we go.